CES 2026 wasn't about smarter sensors or algorithms. What we witnessed was something deeper, a civilizational conversation between how humans survive under accelerating pressure. Health is no longer a personal issue. It's becoming the deepest systems question in technology. If you are a founder, investor, or senior decision maker, your body and mind are now part of your core infrastructure. When decision velocity increases, human recovery, not intelligence, becomes the limiting factor. Look at the trajectory we followed at CES. 2021, single matrix, heart rate, blood oxygen. 2023, behavioral data with basic recommendations. 2026, multimodal fusion, proactive intervention, and chronic risk prevention. This is a shift from tracking life to stabilizing life. The most striking thing this year, insomnia, depression, comorbidity. This isn't a coincidence. High-pressure populations are reaching physiological limits, and that's why we're seeing a non-pharmaceutical intervention revolution. One product says everything about this moment: zero-gravity mental recovery pods, originally designed for astronauts, redistribute body weight to eliminate muscular tension, combined with vibration and multi-frequency audio. They don't optimize performance, they restore baseline human function. Already validated in French military environments, this technology is moving into enterprises and premium consumer spaces. Recovery is no longer a luxury, it's becoming infrastructure. Another quiet breakthrough, AI-powered neurostimulation glasses using 40 Hz gamma light. Research from MIT and the NIH suggests gamma oscillations may support memory, focus, and emotional regulation. They are not marketed as medical devices. Make no mistake, this is a consumer neurotechnology crossing a threshold. Health tech is forming a closed loop: prevent, intervene, restore. Now, here's the uncomfortable truth. Founders are among the most exposed populations in this new health reality. Chronic sleep deprivation, decision overload, endless screens, and emotional isolation. External success often masks internal collapse. Blake Mycoskie, founder of Tom's, after donating millions of shoes and selling half of his company for $625 million, fell into deep depression, anxiety, and chronic insomnia. Mission without physiological capacity is unsustainable. Even as AI embeds itself into workflows, founder health is not improving. A Wall Street Journal investigation shows AI startup founders suffer higher rates of sleep disorders and psychological distress. Infinite productivity is a myth, and it's costing real lives. This is where technology reaches its limit. Eastern philosophy offers a missing layer of strategic intelligence: 知止, knowing when to stop, the ability to reset systems before collapse. This wisdom operates on 3 levels. First, physical maintenance, fame or life, which is more precious, 道德经. Second, cognitive protection, life is finite, knowledge is infinite, 庄子. Third, business rhythm, one yin, one yang, this is the Tao. Pure acceleration breaks systems. Anti-fragility requires rhythm. CES shows how technology extends human capability, but knowing when to stop prevents those capabilities from turning against us. The most sustainable innovators are not those who burn the brightest, but those who align body, mind, business cycles, and natural rhythms into long-term coherence. The entrepreneurial journey is lonely and demanding. Every ounce of stress and perseverance deserves to be seen. If this resonates, feel free to share your story privately. Let us accompany each other, balancing ambition with peace of mind as we build what truly lasts.